If you are looking for a position as a new grad or a seasoned physical therapist, I would highly recommend Community simply for the fact that you get so much support.
The second I joined in with Community, within the first few weeks, my manager already helped guide me into getting me placement into clinical education. It was really great that they really put education for their providers at top priority.
From day one, they have cared about me as a person. And that, I think, spoke volumes for me because it meant that they cared about me and my needs, and also because it just made me more comfortable and want to stay working for Community.
The one thing that really stands out with Community is that we get one-on-one with our patient care. Not many other hospital systems or even private clinics will do that.
My caseload ranges from anywhere from like 10 to 14 patients a day.
Usually see my patients between a half hour to 45 minutes with an evaluation about an hour. And that is another huge thing that is so great with Community. Community gives us the time to truly give patients the amount of care and put them first.
I think the team approach, the commitment to caregiver work-life balance, the remuneration is more than fair, the benefits are excellent.
I choose to stay with Community because I feel supported, not only in my work-life balance, my future endeavors of whatever great idea I have next in my career. Let it be sitting for a board exam and trying to grow professionally. I feel I have 100% support from them. It's a great environment to work in.